While drawing the attention of this court towards the post-mortem report, it is submitted that a ligature mark has been found around the neck of the deceased and the cause of death has been ascertained as asphyxia due to antemortem hanging, and it is also evident from the inquest report that the deceased had committed suicide by hanging herself, and it is not a case of willful oblique intentional homicide. Stop. It is also submitted that the applicant is in jail in this case since 20 May 2020, and till now only the charges against the applicant has been framed, and even the period which had elapsed on account of challenging the earlier order of framing of charge before a coordinate bench of this court by the applicant is excluded. The order passed by the coordinate bench in application under section 482 CRPC number 8027 of 2022 was placed before the trial court on 23 November 2022, but the charges could only be framed against the applicant on 11 August 2023 without any fault of the applicant, thus having regard to the pace with which the case is travelling before the trial court, the same is not going to be concluded in near future. Stop stanza. It is next submitted that the applicant is not having any criminal antecedent. There is no apprehension that after being released on bail, the applicant may flee from the course of law or may otherwise misuse the liberty, and he undertakes that he will remain present before the trial court as and when his presence would be required, and would not influence the prosecution witnesses. Stop. Learned AGA, on the other hand, opposes the prayer of bail of the applicant on the ground that the applicant has committed a heinous offence, and therefore he is not entitled to be released on bail, more so when there is no change in the circumstances since the rejection of his first bail application. Stop stanza. Having regard, learned counsel for the parties, and having perused the record, it is reflected that the first bail application of the applicant was rejected on 30 March 2022. Stop. The applicant had earlier challenged the order before this court by filing application under section 482 CRPC, whereby the charges against the applicant were framed. Stop. However, the said application was disposed of on 10 November 2022 with certain directions to the trial court to frame the charges again. Stop. The said order of the coordinate bench is shown to have been placed before the trial court on 23 November 2022 stop. However, for the reasons best known to the trial court, alternate charges in pursuance of the directions of this court could only be framed on 11 August 2023 stop over.